Welcome to another of our Money Talks, Pacific Financial Planners market updates via videocast. Very important times we're going through. Today is May 14th, 2010. The market has seen a tremendous amount of volatility over the last couple of weeks. We really are concerned about the viability of the euro making it through. I know that last weekend I was talking about the potential for a crash on Monday. The euro leaders got together and put up $1 trillion over the weekend to save the euro. And again, France's president said, we need to get this done before the markets open in Japan on Monday to avert a crash. And so they felt the same way, that there was that risk out there. But the problem is, folks, is that there is no $1 trillion. That $1 trillion was not in their back pocket. They didn't reach in their pocket to find it. It didn't roll out from under the car seat in pennies and nickels and dimes. What really happened is they made a commitment that they're going to print another $1 trillion. You cannot print your way to prosperity. You cannot print your way to prosperity. There is no money tree in the backyard that they're pulling these euros off or dollars off. The United States, through the IMF, committed $50 to $60 billion over the last week. Where is our $50 to $60 billion coming from? I know the economy is starting to show at least a little bit of signs of stabilization. I don't know if I want to go so far as say recovery, but let's say stabilization. And now we're going to give $50 to $60 billion to the weaker European countries. If you look at charts of the euro, it looks like that currency may fall apart. I'm not saying it will fall apart, may fall apart. That could be problematic. You see the dollar continue to rise. Gold and silver, our two biggest positions, had a great week this week. The market rallied huge on Monday, up around 400 points. We had a couple more up days. We went right up against the 50-day moving average. They call that the kiss of death. If you go back up from the 200-day to the 50-day and then fail, that's the kiss of death. We see the markets failing today and late yesterday, Thursday and Friday, the 14th or 13th and 14th. Now, does that guarantee that this kiss of death means that the market's going to fall apart? No, it doesn't. But be cautious. Those people who think buying the dips and holding for the next recovery is the way to go, got to warn you folks, use stop losses. If you need more information, call our office toll free, 800-449-9501. We'll help you minimize the risk to your portfolio. That's all you can do. I don't know the future. You don't know the future. No one can predict it with great accuracy, but we look at trends and analysis. If you want more information, sign up for our free email newsletter. Right up here, click the tab. It says free educational newsletter. We'll send those out to you via email for free, or again, 800-449-9501. Now, while I don't know the future, certain trends happen frequently. This 400-point rally we saw on Monday, it's happened 16 times in market history. All 16 times the market retested the low within a month or less. I talked about that market decline last week, and I said, generally speaking, the lows will be tested again. So again, the lows are quite a bit lower than where we are today. Very important to protect your capital. Gold and silver have done well. Would I buy them today? I wouldn't. If you're sitting on cash, that's probably a good place to be. If you're more aggressive, you can short the market, but it might be a little late to get in here. We're going to look for another entry point if the market breaks down below the 200-day moving average. Again, very important to be cautious. Educate yourself. Use stop losses, and I can help you. My name is Jerry Slusowicz. Again, sign up for our free email newsletter. Call our office toll-free, 800-449-9501. Again, click that tab right up here, and we'll send you information. There's no obligation. It's all free. And again, no one's calling you to bug you, but I know we can help you do a better job of protecting your capital, because risk management is what you actually can control, how much risk you're willing to take. You don't have to say, oh gosh, the market just whipsawed me around and went up and went down, and oh gosh, I just lost money. You control the risk. You don't control the market. Take control of what you can. Call me today, 800-449-9501. Have a great week of investing.